This is JetHexa, the almighty AI hexapod robot. Built on Jetson Nano and ROS, equipped with depth camera and LiDAR, integrated with AI technology and high-level robot inverse kinematics algorithm. It is an advanced ROS Hexapod robotic development platform. JetHexa's unique hexapod chassis is armed with high-performance intelligent bus servos which provide feedback on their position and voltage. When encountering sudden obstacles, it will automatically calculate and plan alternate paths to achieve dynamic obstacle avoidance.